Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to use Unbounce Landing Page, only ways. Start by choosing a template or blank canvas and setting a clear goal for conversions. Use the drag and drop editor to add headlines, forms, and images that match your offer. Configure form integrations and privacy settings, then connect your domain and preview on desktop and mobile before publishing to drive traffic effectively. Design matters more than fancy elements when building Unbounce pages. Keep your headline sharp and benefits obvious, and make the call to action big and easy to tap. Remove distractions, use whitespace, and rely on one focal point per section to guide the eye. Test different images and button colors, and always preview the layout on mobile so visitors convert without scrolling or guessing what to do next. Testing is the engine that makes Unbounce pages profitable, so create a /B tests for headlines, CTA, and imagery. Let variants run long enough to reach statistical confidence, then roll out the winner and create a new variant to keep improving. Track metrics like conversion rate and bounce rate, and use heat maps or recordings for qualitative insights. Small changes can lift results significantly when you follow a steady optimization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.